This video is all about the important Ilonggo greetings. Kamusta? Kamusta? Hi, hello, or how are you? Kamusta? You can also say kumusta. Kumusta? That also means hi, hello, or how are you, but is the most formal one. Kumusta? Kamusta ka na? Kamusta ka na? That means how are you? Kamusta ka na? Kumusta ka na? Kumusta ka na? That also means how are you? Kumusta ka na? Maayo man. Maayo man. That means I'm fine, and an answer to a kumusta, maayo man. You can also answer with amo man sa gihapon. Amo man sa gihapon, that means still the same, nothing changed. Amo man sa gihapon. Maayong aga. Maayong aga, that means good morning. Maayong aga. To answer, you can say maayong aga man. Maayong aga man. That means good morning too. Maayong aga man. Maayong udto. Maayong udto. Udto is noon, and maayong udto means good noon. Maayong udto. To answer this greeting, you can say maayong udto man. Maayong udto man. So the word man means two in English. Maayong udto man means good noon too, or good noon also. Maayong udto man. Maayong hapon. Maayong hapon. Maayong hapon is good afternoon. Maayong hapon. To answer this greeting, you can say maayong hapon man. Just add the word man. Maayong hapon man. That means good afternoon too. Maayong hapon man. Maayong gabi. Maayong gabi. Maayong gabi means good evening. Maayong gabi. To answer this greeting, you can respond with Maayong Gab-I Man. Maayong Gab-I Man. That means good evening too, or good evening also. Maayong Gab-I Man. We also have Maayong Adlaw. Maayong Adlaw. That means good day. Adlaw refers to the day or the sun. Maayong adlaw. To answer, you can respond with Maayong adlaw man. Maayong adlaw man. That means good day too. Maayong adlaw man. Nakakaon ka na? Nakakaon ka na? That means have you eaten? Nakakaon ka na? Nakakaon ka na? To answer yes, that would either be huod or huo. Huod, huo. Huod, huo. And to say no, you can say wala. Wala. No. Wala. Halong. Halong. Halong means take care. Halong. Halong gid pirmi. That means take care. Halong gid pirmi. That means take care always. Pirmi is always. Halong. We also have the word salamat. Salamat. Salamat means thank you. Salamat. To say thank you very much, that would be madamo nga salamat or madamo gid nga salamat. And that's all for our important Ilonggo greetings that you must know. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Madamo gid nga salamat kag halong pirmi. Thank you very much and take care always.